Assalamu alaikum students, class 9th physics. Today our topic is Hooke's law. For this we adopt a procedure with the help of helical spring. Helical spring is which one end is attached within a spot while other end remains free. One end is attached with a spot and other end remains free. We should be taking a procedure for explanation of the Hooke's law. What Hooke's law is? Procedure is that let a helical spring be suspended vertically from a fixed point. Like this. This is a spring. It is attached from one end and hanging vertically downward. A block is attached at the lower end. इसके लोअर एंड के ऊपर हम एक ब्लॉक अटैच कर रहे हैं. वी शुड बी अटैच ए ब्लॉक एट इट्स लोअर एंड. ड्यू टू द फोर्स ऑफ ग्रेविटी द ब्लॉक इज डिस्प्लेस्ड डाउनवर्ड. Force of gravity, you know that force of gravity will act on the block. The block is stretched to downward. Force of gravity, do you know what is force of gravity? Pull of earth. The earth pull everybody towards its center. The earth exerts the force from its center to pull each and everybody towards it. After a little while, the block comes to rest. थोड़ी देर के बाद block जो rest में आ जाएगा. After the little while, थोड़ी देर के बाद block comes to rest and attain equilibrium. फिर वो इक्विलिब्रियम पोजीशन में आ जाता है. जब वो हिलेगा नहीं, इट विल बी इन द इक्विलिब्रियम पोजीशन. इट्स कॉल्ड इक्विलिब्रियम पोजीशन. अंडर दिस कंडीशन ब्लॉक इज अंडर द एक्टिंग ऑफ टू फोर्सेस. नाउ द ब्लॉक इज अंडर द एक्शन ऑफ टू फोर्सेस. व्हेन इट इज हैंगिंग डाउनवर्ड्स विद द फोर्स ऑफ ग्रेविटी इट्स अट्रैक्ट टुवर्ड्स द सेंटर ऑफ द अर्थ. Two forces will act, one equal and opposite. Under this condition, block is under the action of two forces which are equal and opposite. ये दोनों forces जो होंगी, opposite force भी होगी. दोनों forces, एक force से वो नीचे जा रहा होगा, एक force से ऊपर की तरफ भी खींच रहा होगा, which are equal and opposite. Number one, the force of gravity act downwards. The tension is spring upward direction. These two forces, one is force of gravity which act downward, the tension in the spring in upward direction. इसी के अंदर टेंशन होगी. ये force of gravity की वजह से नीचे को जाएगा और टेंशन की वजह से ऊपर को जाने की कोशिश करेगा. लेकिन ये force of gravity से नीचे आएगा. जितना नीचे आएगा force of gravity से उतनी ही इक्वल इस पर टेंशन लग रही होगी. The spring is upward in direction. According to Hooke's law, tension is proportional to the extension. नीचे को ऊपर को टेंशन होगी. स्प्रिंग ऊपर की तरफ इसको खींचेगा while force of gravity की वजह से नीचे आएगा.
Sorry, this is called tension and this is called extension. Both are equal according to Hooke's law. Hooke's law says that tension and extension both are equal and both are opposite. Both are opposite. This is just like a Newton's third law. Action and reaction are equal and opposite. Here in this case, tension and extension are equal and opposite. Now we can get the mathematical expression for this. F stands for tension and X stands for the extension. F, we make the tension with the help of digit F and extension with the help of X. F is the tension, force of tension. Proportional, ये proportional का sign है. This sign is for the proportionality constant. Proportional into X. Into X. ये sign of force of tension है, ये extension है, दोनों equal and opposite होंगे. Where K stand for, now we convert it into F is equal to minus Kx. Minus Kx. K is a spring constant. K is here a spring constant because every spring is of different size, different materials, different force of stretches. हर स्प्रिंग मुख्तलिफ किस्म की नोयत का होता है, कोई छोटा, कोई बड़ा, कोई मोटा होता है, कोई पतला होता है। स्प्रिंग के साइजेस मुख्तलिफ होते हैं, इसलिए हर स्प्रिंग की अपनी एक टेंशन क्रिएटिविटी होती है। F is equal to minus kx, where k is spring constant and negative sign shows that tension and extension act in opposite direction. Tension or extension दोनों opposite. This sign show that tension and extension is equal but opposite. I hope you have understand this all. Hooke's law. Allah Hafiz, take care.